discussion. Let's read the problem. If m times the nth term of an AP is equal to n times its nth term, then show that the m plus nth term of the AP is 0. Okay, very confusing, isn't it? No, it's not. We'll work it out. Okay, we need to break it bit by bit. We'll be able to do it. Okay, let's mark what is given in the problem. Okay, first, it's an AP. So all AP formulas are applicable. It says m times the nth term and n times the nth term, okay, are equal, and then we are asked to, so what is given here? M into mth term is Tm and nth term is Tn. So m times Tm and n into Tn both are equal. Okay, that's the, converted that into a mathematical equation. Whatever is in the statement form, we have converted now into a mathematical part. Next, mathematical equation. We are asked to show m plus nth term. So we are asked to calculate the m plus nth term is 0. That is, we need to show t of m plus n equal to 0. You got it? Okay. So the formula which needs to be used is Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. There is no, let's assume the a is the first term and the d be the common difference, and find Tm. Okay, using this equation Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, write an expression for Tm and Tn. Okay, which basically Tn is the same and Tm will be Tm equal to a plus m minus 1 into d. Then what you do, you substitute those expressions in this equation. That is m into Tm equal to n into Tn minus 1. That is m into a plus n minus 1 m minus 1 into d equal to n into a plus n minus 1 into d, and simplify that equation. I don't think I will be able to give any more steps because this involves a lot of working, but broadly this is what you need to do. Basically what you need to do is assume a be the first term, d be the common difference, then get an expression for Tm using this formula, get an expression for Tn using this formula, which is basically the same expression, then multiply them by m and n and equate it. Then it is more of a simplification exercise. Okay, so let's go into the solution. Okay, given mtm equal to ntn, a be the first term, d be the common difference. So you know the general formula. So the mth term is Tm equal to a plus m minus 1 into d. Tn, and the nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have these two expressions that needs to go into this equation. So m into Tm, which is a plus m minus 1 into d, will be equal to n into a plus n minus 1 into d, because this is Tn and this is Tm. That's all it is. So you are replacing them, the Tm with this expression, Tn with this expression. Now it is more of a simplification and rearrangement to get the required answer. So multiply it. M into a is ma, okay, and m into d is md. So it becomes m minus 1 into md. Similarly, this is na and this is n minus 1 into nd. Okay. Now next, I'm carrying that same equation here for your easy continuity. Okay. Now we'll simplify this. So you get ma. This will be m square d, and it will be minus md. Similarly, this will be na. This is n square d minus md. Then you bring everything to the left side. So ma plus m square d minus md. This is na, it becomes minus na. N square d, when it comes to this side, minus n square d. This is minus nd, it comes to the other side, plus nd. So now we got everything on the left hand side equal to 0. Because you want to prove that it is equal to 0. So now basically we need to show this as t of m plus 1, this whole expression. So, but you know what is t of m plus 1? That is a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so that is what it is. So we'll have to get it in that particular form. Okay, or you can see here. So this is what? This is t of m plus 1. Okay, t of m plus n equal to 0. This is what you want to prove. But what is t of m plus n? That is a plus m minus n minus 1 into d. So that is what we are trying to do. So you will have to club all the a terms together, club all the d terms together, and see whether you can get something close to this. So this is what you are trying to do in this all these steps. Okay, so now you group all the, now you can group all the A. So you have MA and you have NA, group it together and you take A commonly out. A, when you take commonly out, it is M and this is minus N. Similarly, you take D commonly out between this and this because they have M square and N square terms. So D into, when you take out, this becomes M square and this is minus N square. Okay, then what is left out? Minus MD and plus ND. Again take minus D commonly out and you will get, okay, you will get M minus N. Now if you see this M square minus N square is can be written as, it's the same, M plus N into M minus N. A square plus B square equal to, A square minus B square equal to A plus B into A minus B. Okay, so this, the whole thing is same A into M minus N, but this becomes B into M plus N into M minus N, and this is minus D into M minus N. Okay, equal to 0. If you see, M minus N is common in all the three terms. All of them carry the same M minus N. So you can divide both sides by M minus N, which means this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled. On the right side, it's 0 divided by M minus N is 0. Okay, so right side will remain the same. So this cancels means you'll get A. Okay, and this cancels, you'll get D into M plus N, and this cancels off, you'll get minus D equal to 0. Now what you do, you try to take D commonly out between these two terms. So A is A, and you take D out of these two, you can take what is left out, M plus N. When you take D out of this, it becomes minus 1, the whole into D. But you look at it, this is nothing but Tn equals A plus N minus 1 into D. So T of M plus N will be A plus, instead of N it will be M plus N minus 1 T. That's what it was written, M plus N minus 1 into D. This is nothing but T of M plus N. Okay, so you got it. So it is more of a simplification exercise. So the key is take it as A and D, the common difference on the first term, and write the Tm and write Tn expression for Tm and Tn using the same for normal formula Tn equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Then multiply Tm with M and N with Tn, equate it, bring or simplify it, expand it, basically expand it, bring all terms together to the left side and group them together. Get all the A terms together. There will be D square, get all the D square terms together. Then there will be D, take it all together. Then you cancel M minus N throughoutly, and if you simplify, you will be able to get this answer. Okay, so as I said, it is more of a simplification exercise and you will have to practice it. Okay, I hope you got it clear. So now try to work this problem out on your own. Okay, thanks for watching this video.